In total darkness, temperatures plummet below -40 degrees. Winds roar like living storms, strong enough to tear a human from the ice. Yet here, in this frozen emptiness, life does not surrender. Emperor penguins stand motionless for months, balancing a single egg on their feet, their bodies wrapped in feathers against the relentless cold. They do not hunt. They do not flee. They endure. Every gust of wind, every shifting glacier, threatens their survival. Logic says they should fail. Biology says they cannot survive. And yet, year after year, they choose life. In the coldest, darkest place on Earth, survival is not given. It is earned. This is not a story of cute birds. It is a story of impossible endurance, of life against all odds. Antarctica is not a frozen paradise. It is a desert buried beneath kilometers of ice. Snowfall is rare. Moisture barely exists. This land is starved of life. The ice is never still. Glaciers slowly flow like rivers of stone, cracking and collapsing without warning. The ground itself breaks apart, opening deep fractures that stretch for miles. Temperatures fall below -40 degrees. Winds scream across the surface at hurricane force. In these conditions, exposed skin freezes in minutes. A human would not last long. From space, Antarctica appears vast and empty, a white continent shaped by wind, darkness, and pressure. Nothing grows here. Nothing rests. And yet, this is the world penguins call home, a place where survival is tested every single day. While most animals avoid Antarctic winter, emperor penguins do the opposite. They breed at the coldest, darkest time of the year, when survival is hardest. As winter closes in, females leave the colony and begin a long journey to the open ocean, searching for food. The males stay behind. For up to 4 months, they will not eat. They stand on the ice through storms and darkness, relying entirely on fat stored during the summer. Each male balances a single egg on his feet, lifting it above the frozen ground and covering it with a fold of warm skin. The egg must never touch the ice, not for a moment. During this time, some males lose nearly half their body weight. Muscle weakens, energy fades, but they remain standing. In a world that punishes weakness instantly, this is the ultimate paradox. Life choosing the worst possible moment to begin. In the heart of the Antarctic winter, survival depends on the huddle. Males cluster tightly together, forming a living fortress against the cold. Outside, temperatures plunge to -60 degrees or lower. Inside, heat rises, reaching nearly 20 degrees, shared between every body. The huddle is never still. Penguins rotate constantly, moving from the freezing edges to the warmer center. No leader guides them. It is a self-organizing system, a single organism made of hundreds of individuals. Each penguin sacrifices its own comfort for the group, trading places to maintain life. Wings brush wings. Feet shuffle on ice. Every movement matters. Every shift preserves life. In efficiency and design, the huddle surpasses most human inventions. It is not instinct alone. It is collective intelligence in action. Here, in the harshest environment on Earth, life survives through cooperation. A heat engine that refuses to fail. As winter fades, light returns to the Antarctic. The ice begins to crack and melt, revealing the ocean beneath. Tiny phytoplankton bloom in the sunlit waters, igniting the first spark of life. From these microscopic plants, an entire ecosystem awakens. Krill multiply in unimaginable numbers, forming dense swarms that feed fish, birds, and mammals alike. Billions of krill sustain whales, seals, and penguins, powering the intricate web of survival. The ocean transforms into a living green world, teeming with motion. Schools of fish shimmer beneath the ice. Predators glide silently, hunting efficiently in this bounty. Even the penguins, worn by months on ice, return to the sea to feed and replenish. The harsh winter has passed, but survival continues. Life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whale, is connected. A delicate, thriving cycle renewed each year. In Antarctica, the story of endurance gives way to the story of abundance. Antarctica is not home to just one kind of penguin. Across the same ice and ocean, different species follow very different rules of survival. Adelie penguins live along the frozen coast, tied closely to sea ice. They thrive where the ice breaks and reforms, using narrow seasonal windows to feed and breed. Gentoo penguins choose open water. They stay closer to the ocean year-round, moving quickly, diving deep, and feeding with speed and flexibility. Chinstrap penguins depend on timing. Their survival is synchronized with the brief Antarctic summer, when food is abundant and mistakes are costly. And then there are king penguins. They follow the longest and most demanding strategy of all, a breeding cycle lasting over 14 months, stretching across multiple seasons. Same planet, same ocean, completely different survival plans, each shaped by ice, time, and opportunity. As the ice melts, danger rises with the water. The edge between ice and ocean becomes a hunting ground. Leopard seals patrol the shallows, powerful and precise. They wait beneath the surface, strike us in seconds. Above, skuas circle relentlessly. They steal eggs, target chicks, and exploit every moment of weakness. In deeper water, orcas hunt with intelligence and coordination. They work as a unit, creating waves to wash penguins from the ice. No single predator acts alone. Every attack is calculated. For penguin chicks, the first swim is the most dangerous moment of all. Leaving the ice means entering a world filled with threats from every direction. Hesitation can be fatal. Speed can mean survival. Here, during the melt, predators rule, and every mistake is punished instantly. For millennia, penguins have followed the rhythms of ice and ocean, evolving strategies perfectly tuned to Antarctic extremes. But now, the rules are changing. Sea ice forms later and melts earlier. The frozen deserts that once protected eggs and chicks shrink, leaving colonies exposed to storms and predators. Adelie penguins vanish from regions they once dominated, unable to adapt to the shifting ice. Gentoo penguins expand into new territories, taking advantage of openings, but also facing unexpected challenges. Krill, the foundation of the Antarctic food chain, is under threat. Warmer waters and changing currents disrupt their growth and reproduction. Without krill, the entire ecosystem trembles. Whales, seals, and penguins all feel the ripple of this imbalance. The environment they evolved to survive in no longer exists in the same form. The ice, the winds, the timing, all the factors that shaped survival strategies are accelerating faster than evolution can respond. Thus, choices penguins make today may determine whether they endure or disappear. In the most hostile place on Earth, the greatest threat is no longer winter or predators. It is change itself, rapid, relentless, and unforgiving. The balance they once relied on is breaking. For millions of years, penguins have lived on the edge, mastering a world where failure meant death. They have endured darkness, storms, hunger, and predators, surviving where life should not exist. But now, the edge itself is shifting. Ice forms later, melts sooner. Food sources waver. The strategies honed over millennia are being tested faster than evolution can respond. Not all will adapt. Some species may vanish. Others will fight to find new ways. Every season is a choice. Every moment a risk. Penguins survive where life should fail. But even the strongest systems break when the world changes too fast.